So how do you treat a PE? As you see a patient with pulmonary embolism, an acute pulmonary embolism, for instance, a high risk pulmonary embolism having hemodynamic instability, cardiovascular instability, respiratory instability, you have to act fast because you do not have much time before the patient lands up into a cardiac arrest, and you will be doing your CPR protocol and giving a cardiac CPR for the patient. So what are the goals of management here? Obviously, the first goal of your management should be your hemodynamics management, respiratory management, because there are chances that patient might land up into respiratory arrest. Reperfusion therapies has to be started because just by managing your hemodynamics and respiratory doesn't suffice. You have to break the thrombus and open up the perfusion, and you have to make sure that you prevent further embolism. That means if this acute PE is as a result of dislodgement of a deep venous thrombosis from your lower limbs or your upper limbs, you have to make sure that further thrombosis are not dislodged to prevent these episodes from recurring again and again. So how we do it first? Obviously, your hemodynamics and respiratory management, you target a MAP of more than 65, do a good volume optimization, start off your vasopressors, your noradrenaline, your vasopressin at an earlier stage. Even if you think like the BP is holding at 90 to 100, it is better to earlier institute the administration of these catecholamines. Then advanced life support, obviously, in cases of cardiac arrest. Manage your respiration by maintaining a saturation of at least more than 94%, either by giving oxygen through various oxygen therapy devices you have, or initiation of mechanical ventilation. Even after invasive mechanical ventilation, you are not able to achieve your goals of saturation targets of more than 94%, and speak with the patient attenders, counsel them if affordable, and if your institute permits, go ahead and institute a VV or VA ECMO while you make yourself ready for your reperfusion therapies.